It's certainly easy at moments like this to lose perspective on the amount of change that we've seen and the panic that has rightly swept across the world. But I think when we are able to find time to take a step back and to look at changes in a broader context, there are four things that I would really like to make clear. The first thing is that we have seen the best of humanity come out. We have seen the world come together. We have seen companies work at relentless pace to make new products and services like never before. Whether it's something simple like hand sanitizer, to incredibly complex machinery like ventilators, to the way that data's been shared. We've seen an incredible diversity of thought and incredible speed of innovation and imagination and ambition and desire to bring change, which I think we should all be incredibly proud of. The second thing is, this sounds opportunistic, but this is a wonderful time to really put into practice significant changes to your company or to your organization. The reality is that many of the changes that we will see over the next 5 years are actually long-term trends in the way that businesses and people behave. The shift to online commerce, the move to remote working, the need to have really strong company cultures. So now is an incredible chance to really refurnish and replan and reimagine the future of your business. I think the third thing is, many of us are being kept in homes alone or with small children running around us, but hopefully we've been able to take a little bit of time to really rethink our lives. What are we on this planet to do? This is an amazing time to think about the things that really matter to you. And to self-reflect and to wonder at what point in the next stage in our journey we should unleash ourselves on a new path. And my final point is about the idea of purpose. I think we've lived in a 20-year period where growth has felt relentless, the pace of change felt ever faster. We've become used to cheap money to borrow and perhaps an almost decadent way of life. The reality is that the future needs people to behave in a more responsible way. We do need people to stop the urge to buy every single item of fast fashion that comes their way or to fly endlessly around the world. This is a really good time to kind of think a slightly more long-term, slightly more responsibly. How can we do a better job? How can we make better products or services? How can we create things that we're really proud of and make a huge difference to everyone's lives? I think if you put those four things together, this is quite an inspiring moment in time.